So we got the electrical permit to get that started for the upgraded service panel, and I've run into my first issue already with the county on getting the permit for the building to move forward. So it is an easement issue with Public Works and the roadway. So for the property, I'm in a subdivision, so I've got this big long fence, and the problem is they limit the house property access to 40 feet. I'll show you in a little bit why that's a problem in my specific circumstance. The other is I've got these trees here, some pretty big trees that I do not want to interfere with. So I was going to try and split the difference between those two and just have a gated access in between those to lessen the impact of tearing out trees and just maintain the beauty of this walkway and the road with the shrubs and the trees, and also keeping the shade forming the back. So let's go look at why this 40-foot easement for property access is going to be an issue for me. Well, this is the front of the house, and so you've got your normal driveway that extends here, but my 40-foot allowable also includes my existing RV access. So my current total street access is already at 35 feet, which means the county would only allot me an additional 5 feet of easement onto the property. So it goes back to the drawing board for the plot positioning of the shed. We're still going to pretty much stay with the standard 50 by 30 size for the shed, but what we're going to do is work on the layout and the positioning so that way we can have a little bit better access, RV and trailer all the way through, and then the shop adjusted a little bit more west to give us some parking so we can get vehicles in from the side and the existing. Well, that's what we got to do. So going to be working with the county on updating the adjustment for the plot layout.